How to get more lives on Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to get more lives on Fishdom. Getting more lives on Fishdom is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Wait for lives to refill. Lives refill over time automatically. It takes typically 30 minutes to generate one life up to a maximum of 5 lives. Watch ads. Occasionally, Fishdom offers free life in exchange for watching short ads. Look for these opportunities in the game. Participate in events. Special events and tournaments often reward players with free lives. Check the event tab regularly for chances to earn lives. Purchase life. Use in-game currency such as coin or diamonds to buy additional lives if needed. Coins earned by playing levels and completing tasks. Diamonds earned by completing achievements or purchasing with real money. And here you go, it's done. These are some ways you can get more lives on Fishdom.
If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.